I was gifted a bunch of tulips, daffodils, irises, crocuses, and whatnot. Getting some of them in the ground here before the ground freezes. Putting them in some of the garden beds and whatnot up front for right now. You know, it's better late than never. And sometimes, you know, in the spring, it's better late than early too. But there was a local box store that was getting rid of their display. And so I nabbed it. There was tons of stuff that they were going to throw in the dumpster. I grabbed quite a few. There's probably 200 packages of different bulbs that I grabbed. And I'll get what I can planted here in the next week or so, and then I'll store in the basement the rest of them. Get the rest planted next spring, and they won't bloom, but I mean, it'll be going the next year, so they'll get a year of growth on them. So, you know, that never hurts to ask. You know, you never know what you might get. Anyway, I'll get back to planting. There was, I don't know if anybody wants any. Let me know.